Hope you all are fine and have a very great time with your friends, families in lockdown period. So, welcome to my channel, that is Life and Literature with Tanushree. And a very thanks and very gratitude to all of my friends, learners and well-wishers who have liked my video, subscribed my channel and share my video. And I hope you will be stay tuned with me in this way. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Life and Literature with Tanushree. So friends and learners, hearing some suggestions from most of my learners and friends, I have decided to start a systematic approach in my channel. You can see in the slide of here that it is of CTET exam pattern. So today I will discuss about CTET exam pattern and syllabus. And friends, one more thing, I will provide learning about psychology, that means child psychology and pedagogy, and obviously English pedagogy. Okay, and I think you will be benefited. So today I am here only to discuss about the exam pattern and what is needed to be more essential or more fruitful for this exam. Okay, I think you all know about the full form of CTET, right? That is Central Teachers Eligibility Test. It is mandatory, it is a mandatory exam, entrance exam for all purposive teachers. That means in all teaching jobs, KVS, NVS, and any central army school job and any central school job, you have to clear CTET, and you will also get some benefit in various public sectors. That sectors mean public schools, private schools, international schools. Okay, and this syllabus is also helpful for any state's TET exam syllabus. It is also related to any states, that is you can see West Bengal states exam, super TET exam of UP. Every TET has the at most what can I say, quite similar syllabus. Okay, so friends, don't wasting our time, let's start today's session and hope you all will enjoy. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, so here is CTET, that is Central Teachers Eligibility Test, right? Okay, come to the, just a minute, next slide. Okay, here I have written some, I make some space for written here. Okay, so CTET, that is Central Teachers Eligibility Test. Please, those who are unaware till now about the full form of CTET, just remind yourself in your cognitive level, in your imaginary level, because in interviews there is basic common questions and most of the students become nervous. No, what is the full form of syllabus, although you all have known. So please don't forget it. Okay, so the this CTET exam is divided into two parts, paper 1 and paper 2. I think you all are aware of this. Paper 1 is for only for primary level. Okay, primary level, that means elementary level, class 1 to 5, and paper 2 is for class 5 or 6 to 8, that is upper primary level. So those who have the eligibility criteria, those who are fulfilled the eligibility criteria, they can sit for both paper 1 and paper 2. So I am not going to the whole syllabus of paper 1 and 2. If you need it, you can say me, you can comment, you can tell me in comment section that you need or needn't to know about the whole syllabus. I'm only dealing with the child pedagogy and psychology portion and English pedagogy portion. Okay, so let's start it. You can see here the first portion, that is child development for primary and elementary both children. For this syllabus is for both paper. Don't commingle the things. Okay, this syllabus is for paper 1 and paper 2 both. Okay, clear? I think you all are clear. If you have any doubt, please don't hesitate to tell me in comment section. I will try to clarify all your doubts. I am here to clear your doubts. Okay, so the first one is, you can see here is 15 questions. The total child development and pedagogy is of 30. Just a minute. I forgot to mention. That is of 30. Okay. The full marks is 30. The division is at first the A section, child development. From here 15 questions come and each carry 1 mark. 1 marks for each question. Okay. The first one is concept of development and its relationship with learning. So here we have to we have to know about learning, about development, growth and development exactly, and about the growth and development of children. Okay. Next bullet, you can see principles of the development of child. What are the principles? It is the main focus. Then influence of heredity and environment in growth and development, especially in development. Okay. Next, socialization processes, social world and children, teacher, parents, peers, and there are so many, etc. I will discuss later on. Next, this is the most important portion. If you can clear all the doubts of this portion, you will very smoothly clear your CTET exam. Okay, that is of the theory section. You have the three theorists here: Jean Piaget, Kohlberg and Vygotsky, and their constructs and critical perspective of development in the sector or in the field of child development. Okay. Next, you can see concepts of child-centered and progressive education. Yes. In today's world, the education system, we all know, that is not teacher-centered, that is of child or learner-centered. So here, CTET exam tries to tries to meet the child-centered concept and progressive education. How can we progress our education from the basic level of a children to higher level, that is the hierarchy in the pyramidally level. Okay. Next, you can see critical perspective of the construct of intelligence. This is a very important thing. Intelligence, you have to know about the concept of intelligence first. Okay, then we will gradually proceed the critical perspective of the construct of intelligence. Okay, it is very interesting topic. Okay, hope we all will learn together and will enjoy. Next, multi-dimensional intelligence. It is a part of intelligence where when I will discuss about intelligence, no, there is a part which is multi-dimensional intelligence. Clear, learners? I think you all are clear, and I think you are not feeling bored, no? Because this syllabus pattern and exam pattern is the most foremost thing we have to know. We have to clear first our syllabus. In syllabus there are the answers, so we have to just cram the syllabus. Okay. Next came language and thought. Yes, sorry, just a minute. Language and thought. Okay, language and thought, there is the theory, but here is the no mention of theory actually. but we will discuss it. Language and thought, Chomsky's theories is there. Very various linguistics are there. We will surely discuss Saucer, Chomsky. There are various one. Okay, this will be very interesting for the literature and language students too. Okay, next, gender as a social construct. We have to know about gender. Then gender roles, gender bias, educational practice of gender. Okay, clear? I think this is a very easy topic. Next, this is very much important, individual differences among learners. Among learners, what are the individual differences? Understanding differences based on diversity of language, caste, gender, community, religion, region, anything, etc. Okay, so we have to a very clear concept of individual difference. Okay, then distinction between assessment for learning. We have to know about assessment. We already discussed learning, and now assessment for learning. Okay, school based assessment, continuous and CC, that is continuous and comprehensive evaluation, perspective and practice of it. Next, formulating appropriate questions for assessing. Formulating appropriate questions for assessing read lines of the learners, for enhancing learning and critical thinking in classroom, for assessing learner achievement. That means this is for also a part of assessment. We will surely discuss it broadly later. Next, one more thing. Till here, okay, till here 15 questions come. Don't forget, 15 questions, each carry 1 mark. That means 15 marks. Now come 5 more questions. This is the field from where 5 more questions come. Concept of inclusive education. This is very much interesting topic and very important topic too. Concept of inclusive education and understanding children with special needs. Don't forget that in today's world there is no term of abnormal child. Instead of that we use special child. Hope you all will know it. Okay, so what is in there? First one is addressing learners from diverse backgrounds. Okay, diverse background. Okay, diverse background. Then including disadvantaged and privileged. Including disadvantaged and deprived. Those who are disadvantaged and deprived, we have to know about them because they are included in inclusive education. No. Then addressing the needs of children with learning difficulties, impairment like visual impairment, mentally impaired, and there are so many things, visually, mentally, physically impaired. Okay, and next, addressing to the talented, creative, those who are gifted child, special obviously everyone is special here, but gifted child, talented child, creative child. So clear? From here 5 questions will come. Each carry 5 marks. That means 15 plus 5, 20. Right? Clear? Okay. Come to the next one. Okay, learning and pedagogy, that is C portion. From here 10 questions, then 15 plus 5, just a minute, okay, 15 plus 5 plus 10, okay, understood? 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 10, 30 questions, each will carry 1 mark. What is this? Learning. We already have discussed in our first portion, A portion, that is learning, and here learning and pedagogy. Learning related to pedagogy. Pedagogy means the science of teaching. How children think and learn, how and why children fail to achieve success in school performance. Yes, children fail, this is very important. Basic processes of teaching and learning. Children's strategies for learning. Learning as a social activity. Yes, this is very much important. Learning as a social activity, social context of learning. Now come to the next bullet, child as a problem solver and a scientific investigator. Those who are well known to the term case study, action research, they can easily understand how child or children act as a problem solver or a scientific investigator, right? Next, alternative conceptions of learning in the children. Understanding children's errors as significant steps in the learning process. This is very much important in today's world, in today's learner-centered world. We have to ignore their errors instead of rebuking them. This is very much interesting. We will discuss surely later on. Then cognition and emotions. This is very much important, emotional intelligence. And then motivation and learning. This is two important factor. Then factors contributing to learning, personal and environmental. Okay. Hope you are clear with it now. From A section, don't forget, from A section there will be questions of 15 marks. Clear? Then B section come 5 marks. Sorry for my bad handwriting, okay? I'm not too bad in handwriting. Here in digital world, this is too much bad, okay? Anyway, 15 marks from A portion, 5 marks from B portion, and then next and last 10 marks from C portion. That means 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. Clear? I think you all are clear with it. Child psychology and child pedagogy for both primary and elementary level from class 1 to 5 and 5 to 8. Okay? Clear? Come to the next thing. That is, it is of language pedagogy. For English language pedagogy, those who are taking language as a second, English as a second language. English as a second language. Don't please mix it or commingle the facts that it is only for those who are taken language, English language as a second language. Okay. Gradually I will also discuss about first language. First I have to complete second as a second language. Okay. So here two of 30 marks, full marks is 30. First one is comprehension, that is 50 questions. 50 questions from comprehensions. Two unseen prose. Yes, sorry. Two unseen prose passage, discursive or literary or narrative, scientific, anything it can be, with question on comprehension, grammar and verbal ability. This is very much interesting and very much scoring too. Okay, if you can understood the concept of unseen, then it is very much easy and very much interesting too. Okay, here 15 questions will come, each carrying 1 mark. Okay. Next, B portion, pedagogy of language development, that is also of 15 question. 15 plus 50, 30. Learning and acquisition, principles of language teaching. This is very much important. Language of sorry. Just a minute, okay. Please wait. I am trying to change my color actually. Okay. Oh, it is so too thick, no? Just a minute. Okay. Anyway, I think you all are comfortable with it, no? Okay. Then learning and acquisition, principles of language teaching is very much important. Roles of listening and speaking, function of language and how children use it as a tool. Critical perspective of the role of grammar in learning a language or communicating ideas verbally and written form. Challenges, disorders, etc. We will surely discuss it more smoothly, more interestingly. And the third portion, language skills. This is very much important. Evaluating language comprehension. Here L, S or W. Don't forget the thing. Those who have completed your B.Ed, completed your teacher's training course, he or she will easily able to know it, no? LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing. So evaluating language comprehension and proficiency, speaking, listening, reading, writing, teaching, learning materials, textbook, multimedia materials, multilingual resource of the classroom, or and remedial teaching. Remedial teaching is very much important thing actually. So this was for second language paper 1, and for both paper 1 and paper 2 second languages syllabus. That is, just a minute, 15 plus 15 from unseen prose or poems, whatever, and 15 from pedagogy portion. So don't forget that pedagogy is very much important here, and the total marks is 30. Okay, so learners and friends, here is a timetable in which days I will discuss about which topic, and I think it will be helpful for you, because you can prepare yourself mentally from previously. Okay, till now my exact time I have not fixed. I will try to conduct my live classes, and please if you want my live classes, please do comment in comment section, do write your suggestions. If you are enjoying my session, if you want to know more thing from me, I will surely discuss about all your needs. Okay, needs, and it will be very helpful, I think so. So timetable you can see, Monday I give child psychology, that means child pedagogy. Okay, development and pedagogy. Monday is child psychology, Wednesday is English pedagogy. This is for variation. Okay, because William Shakespeare has nicely said, variety is the spice of life. So we have to add some spice in our life, so that these are the variation. Because after Monday completing psychology class, there will be so much boredom, no, in again psychology class. So I have tried to give some or add some spices in to take some variations in not life, in study. Okay, Monday is of child psychology, Wednesday is of English pedagogy, Friday is of child psychology again, and Saturday is of English pedagogy. So this is the timetable I have fixed. There is nothing in life, or nothing in world, nothing in universe, we can say fixed. So I am flexible in it. So please suggest me, please tell me, and in comment section, if you want to change or want any changes in your timetable, and please discuss about your need, and it will, I think it will be very helpful for you. So hope you all are clear with it, no, about the syllabus, about the pattern. 30 plus 30, it is 30 plus 30. 30 is of child psychology and pedagogy, and here for English language, of those who have taken as a second language English, that is 30. So I think today is Wednesday. We will start our class from Friday. Okay, so please be ready with me. That means with life and literature with Tanushree. And if there is any doubt, any suggestion, anything which is acting as a worm in your brain, then please don't hesitate to ask me. And also give me reviews for my video session, for my this YouTube session, because I need to improve myself more only from your suggestions, and you are the people from whom I can learn in my every step. Okay, so this is for today. Hope we all will togetherly crack CTET very soon, and please don't forget about literature. Okay, I will come within these days with literature, with the concept of dreams, with the beautiful what can literary touch. So this will be not monotonous. Okay, so thank you learners. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel as you always do, and thank you very much for your positive support. Be stay tuned with me like in this way, and don't forget to join in my not join don't forget to see my videos in Friday. I will surely come very soon in live session if you want. Okay, so please suggest me and tell about your notions. So thank you very much. This is for today.